आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पोर्ट्स। Ports are slots on the motherboard into which a cable of external device is plugged in. Example of external devices attached via ports are the mouse, keyboard, monitor, microphone, speaker, etc. Computer port is an interface between the computer and peripheral device like mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speaker, flash drive, pen drive, etc. A computer port acts as a point of connection where the cable or plug from the peripheral can be plugged to facilitate data to flow from and to the device. A computer port is also called as a communication port as it facilitates communication between the computer and its peripheral device. पोर्ट्स की सहायता से डेटा सीपीयू से बाहर और बाहर से अंदर विभिन्न उपकरणों से कंप्यूटर को जोड़कर डेटा को आदान प्रदान किया जाता है। Based on the type of protocol used for communication, ports can be categorized as serial ports and parallel ports. A serial port is an interface through which peripherals can be connected using a serial protocol which involves the transmission of one bit of data at a time over a single communication line. A parallel port, on the other hand, is an interface through which the communication between a computer and its peripheral device is in parallel manner. Video port. It is a port that can be used to connect a monitor or other display such as a TV to a computer. Video ports for desktop computers are located on the back while laptop computers have them on back or side. It is found in computers, projectors, video cards and many TVs. DVI stands for Digital Video Interface. DVI is a video connection standard created by the Digital Display Working Group. Most DVI ports support both analog and digital displays. If the display is analog, the DVI connection converts the digital signal to an analog signal. It is a high-speed digital interface between a computer and a display device like a monitor. DisplayPort is an interface for digital displays, particularly computer monitors. The interface is extensible and supports high resolution with a reasonable number of connector pins. DisplayPort like HDMI can transmit video and audio data either individually or simultaneously. It is a digital display interface with multiple channels for audio and other forms of data. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface, is a proprietary audio or video interface for transmitting uncompressed video data and compressed or uncompressed digital audio data from an HDMI compliant source device, such as a display controller, to a compatible computer monitor, video projector, digital television. It is a digital interface that enables to connect high definition and ultra high definition devices like computer monitors, HD TVs, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, high definition cameras, etc. USB Universal Serial Bus is the most popular connection used to connect a computer to devices such as digital cameras, printer scanners, and external hard drives. USB is a cross-platform technology that is supported by most of the major operating systems. USB port is used to transfer data, act as an interface for peripheral, and even act as a power supply for devices connected to it. USB replaced serial ports, parallel ports, game ports, and power chargers for portable devices. RJ45 is a type of connector commonly used for Ethernet networking. The RJ in RJ45 stands for registered jack. Since it is a standardized networking interface, the 45 simply refer to the number of the interface standard. Each RJ45 connector has 8 pins, which means an RJ45 cable contains 8 separate wires. RJ45 एक प्रकार का कनेक्टर है जो सामान्यतः इथरनेट नेटवर्किंग के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है। RJ45 का प्रयोग इथरनेट पर आधारित लैन में कंप्यूटर को जोड़ने के लिए किया जाता है। RJ45 एक फिजिकल नेटवर्क कनेक्टर है। RJ11 more commonly known as modem port, phone connector, phone jack or phone line. The registered jack 11 is a 4 or 6 wire connection for telephone and modem connectors in the US. The phone picture is an example image of what the RJ11 phone cable and it connection. RJ11 कनेक्शन की तुलना में RJ45 का आकार बड़ा होता है और पिनों की संख्या RJ45 में ज़्यादा होती है। RJ45 इथरनेट केबल के साथ प्रयोग किया जाता है। RJ11 टेलीफोन के तारों को जोड़ने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है। RJ45 में तारों की संख्या 8 होती है और RJ11 में तारों की संख्या 4 होती है। RJ45 बड़ा होता है और RJ45 से ये RJ11 छोटा होता है। Firewire, external connector similar to a USB port that provides a high-speed connection between a computer and peripheral devices. Firewire is used with digital audio or video camcorders, personal computer, and offers sustained data transfer rates over 3200 Mbits. Firewire was developed by Apple Inc. and integrated into Apple PCs as its main communication interface. It is similar to a USB port that facilitates a high-speed connection between a computer and peripheral devices.